Hello everyone, welcome back to Vitiligo Talks and to another video. This one is a short and snappy video of my pre-ordering process of the iPhone 13 Pro Max, which I was able to order on the 17th of September. I did say in one of my previous videos that I shall be upgrading to this phone, and here I just wanted to document the process of pre-ordering to show you guys how simple and easy Apple have made it to pre-order and buy a product.
He'd taken my money and my bear and he'll leave me alone.
I went for the iPhone 13 Pro Max with 512 gigabytes of storage. I think the 1 terabyte would have been a bit too much storage for me. As you guys know, I shoot all my videos with my iPhone 8 Plus and my iPhone SE 2020, and I'm always looking for more space. I also ordered a few other items. I ordered a case from Apple, a first for me. I thought, let's see how good this Apple case is. I chose this blue color to go with my Sierra Blue iPhone 13 Pro Max. Whilst I was in the shopping mood, I also ordered an Apple charging brick. This maxes out at 20 watts. I have read somewhere that you can charge the iPhone Pro Max on a faster charger than 20 watts. I believe a 23 watt charger. So I might return this back to Apple and buy an Anker charger. I am working on another review of an Anker product. Watch this space as that video is coming soon. So confirming the payment was pretty quick and easy, as everything is linked to my Apple Pay on my iPhone 8 Plus. Once confirmed, I hit saved my pre-order. Apple also allowed me to add a reminder in my calendar so I don't miss out on buying this iPhone from them. Apple love to make money. They really wanted me to part with my money, £1,400 of it. So let's see if this phone is that good. My next video will be an unboxing and my initial thoughts on this iPhone 13 Pro Max. Hopefully the phone will be delivered to me on the 24th of September, and I shall shoot that video and try to upload it as soon as I can for you guys. So keep an eye out for that video. If you like this video, then hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. On 17th of September, I was able to order this phone. This screen did pop up for about 5 minutes before Apple let me into their store. I did encounter some issues with Apple Pay. I pressed the payment button a few times and I was successful in ordering the phone. I have been Vitiligo Talks, and I shall see you in the next one.